Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 7, Standardizing QA across multiple factories. In this video, you will learn why standardization is important, common problems without QA standardization, what needs to be standardized, example, standard defect classification, real-world scenario, tools to support QA standardization, role of QA leadership. Why standardization is important? Buyers expect the same quality from all units. Standardization helps us deliver that, no matter who is working or where it's made. Different factories often have different people, machines, and workflows. Without standardization, quality results vary from one unit to another. Standard QA processes help maintain buyer trust, brand reputation, and cost control. Common problems without QA standardization. One factory checks 100% of garments, another checks only 20%. Different defect classification systems confuse reporting. SOPs vary from unit to unit. Training quality differs across locations. Impact: inconsistent final inspections, uneven quality, increased buyer complaints. What needs to be standardized? SOPs for all QA processes. Defect classification and terminology. Inspection formats and reporting templates. Training content for QA staff. Quality KPIs and performance dashboards. Audit and review schedules. Sample approval procedures. Example, standard defect classification. Defect type. Stitch skip. Code. ST01. Description. Missing stitches in seam. Defect type. Shade variation. Code. CL02. Description. Uneven color in garment panel. Defect type. Open seam. Code. ST05. Description. Seam not secured, may come apart. Scenario. Without standard codes, factory A reports stitch gap. Factory B says missing stitch. A shared defect matrix solves this. Real-world scenario, inconsistent inspection format. Problem: Factory X uses handwritten reports. Factory Y uses Excel. Factory Z reports by phone. Buyer audit found poor tracking and inconsistent quality data. Solution: introduced a shared digital inspection format. All factories trained to use the same reporting terms. Monthly QA audits to review report accuracy. Tools to support QA standardization. Master SOP manual shared across factories. Digital QA dashboard for all units. Centralized QA training calendar. Shared inspection report templates. Monthly QA review meetings with factory heads. Role of QA leadership. QA leadership is like a coach. Everyone must follow the same playbook to win. What QA leaders must do? Align all units under one system. Train factory QA heads on the same guidelines. Audit all factories regularly. Share best practices between locations. Monitor KPIs across all units. Quick summary of Module 7. Without standard QA systems, quality will vary. Use one set of SOPs, reporting tools, and training systems. Leadership must review and enforce the standards. Consistency builds confidence with buyers and management. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 8.